Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy phone. It's a convenient way to make payments using your smartphone. First, open the Samsung Pay app on your Galaxy phone. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Next, you'll need to sign into your Samsung account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account within the app. Once you've signed in, tap on the Add button to add a new payment method. You can choose to add a credit or debit card, membership card, or gift card. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card details. You may need to verify your card through a code sent by your bank. Once your card is added, you can set a preferred payment method in the app. You can also add a PIN or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or iris scan for added security. Now, you're all set up and ready to use Samsung Pay. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access your cards and select the one you want to use. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Samsung Pay works with both NFC and MST technology, making it compatible with most payment terminals. And that's it! You've successfully set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy phone. Enjoy the convenience of paying with just a tap of your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.